What's going on, guys? Investment Coach Chris, and we're in a position right here. So we're currently in a position with DGAS. I wanted to show you we got in with 150 shares at 92.11. Our P&L is about 186 right now, 176, 180. We are currently in for 150 shares on a long, and I am hovering here 186, 194. Keep in mind, this is my TradeNet funded account. I can only take 150 shares as the max account because I can only use a percentage of the principal because it's their money, not mine. They give me the money and I get a commission of what I turn it into. I'm in at 171, 176, a minimum commission of $1.50 for this trade. Let's see, position right there. Right there, we're pushing up. 158. I think the volume's up there, 99.22. If you look at the tape in the middle is white, green, white, green. Green means the last price was above the current price. White's neutral, red's down. I'm up about 164 on the total PL. This position is 150, 167 right there. Too close to price point right there, and I'm gonna sell. Execute sell for $170 with that position. You may say, Chris, why'd you sell that position? It could have still gone up. It could, but it's kind of fighting right now. The volume's going up, right? I can only get a certain amount of percentage on this. So I'm going to lock in profit, right? And I'm going to take another 100 shares. I can only do 150 shares in this account. This account is what I'm doing. It's a $14,000 account they gave me for free because I beat a demo. And I can show you how to do it. Look, link in the description. Well, now, if I build it up to a certain degree, they'll give me more money. So this one's taken off, 93.31, so it's 93.24. It's a bid between 24. It's a 10-cent spread. 10-cent spread between the two. So the goal is to keep a positive equity curve. Sooner I can double this account. They'll end up, I think my next tier, they'll give me 80,000. So right now, I'm just working myself up the ladder. I'm not making much money, but I'm not trying to make money. I'm trying to get more money because I can get up to a $600,000 account, and that's pretty cool. But I'm Investment Coach Chris with edu-trade. So I'm like I teach you how to trade, a mentor. I've got links for people who can get you funding through Apiary, TradeNet, all sorts of people I know. So just let me know. So we're still at 93.36. Man, oh man, oh man. Still pushing. Dang. I'm going to get in for 100. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm going to buy. So right now our unrealized for this one is $18. So the unrealized is this current trade. So I'm down $14 in this trade. With 100 shares I bought. So get ready if I need to sell. I'm down $3, down $2. Even plus 2. So we got in there plus 2, minus 2, $1, minus 2, up 4. So all sorts of stuff. Now what we're looking at down here, volumes picked up 65,000, 66,000. The volume right here was about 125. So if we can push from 67, when the volume gets up to a certain degree, the volume is what I'm watching. I want the volume. When we get to 125, that's the most volume we've had all day. So there's a big chance the volume can continue to go up during this position. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Now the volume is right here. We're approaching a little bit more. That's a normal sell-off. That's normal. You know, we push up, we pull down. Now if I would have been a little bit more patient, it would have been a lot better to get in a position right here on a retracement. Probably would have been a better idea. So what I might do is come over here and buy me 50 more right there. See, I can't even do that. I'm limited to all I can do is get 100 shares. That's it. Oh well, so we're down $18 right now in this position. Total P&L is 159 right now, 159, 160. So we're hoping it just continues to push up. All we got to do is push that sell button, and you know, you can create a hotkey to do that too. I just, you know, I don't want I don't want to accidentally, my dumb ass will potentially like accidentally hit it instead of clicking. So I just like to kind of be able to time it good, and I almost feel like I can click better than I can hotkey. And I do use hotkeys for other things, like I use hotkeys to bring up charts and patterns and other stuff. But it's not like I can do 5,000 shares or anything. I mean, I could do 25 shares and do it like that and all, but all right. P&L is about 14. We're still pushing up. We're in at 100 shares. We're going to pop this up right here and check out DGAS. DGAS is above the top Bollinger Band, but it's expanding up. It's above and it's expanding. This is UNG. UNG, we want this to say red and keep pushing down. UNG pushes down. This continues up. That's kind of what we want. Realized profits, $18 right there. Nothing crazy. 191 P&L right there. One thing I'm going to do right now, I don't really know what my take profit is at this point. I need to pull back a little. Man, there is no take profit. Okay, right there, 5 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at you guys, and I see you guys is going down. So if you guys continues to be red, then when you guys is green, D guys, when you guys is red, D guys is green. So that's what I'm trying to say. Oh well, D guys right there. Looks like we're coming back. The red candle forming. All right. So P&L is 33 right there. Total P&L is $200 for the position. We're still at $100. Sell 212, 212, 212, 42, 212 unrealized, 44 unrealized, 44 unrealized. Don't forget $46, $49. Right now we're in. Are we going to buy? Are we going to sell? 94.06. We're looking at 94.01, 94. Oh man, we're at 94. We want to stay above 94. We don't want to go down to 93. All right, unrealized is 45.50, total P&L 215, 217, 47, 221, 221, 222, 94.15, 94. So what we're doing is we're looking down here at 94.20, 94.20, 94.19. We want this number right here to go up. That goes up, our P&L goes up. Total P&L is $222 for this position. The actual of that 227, the unrealized is the current position. The realized is the total profit at this point. Before going in this position, I was up 170. Now my P&L is 229. So 229, 234 minus that. The difference is going to be the unrealized profit. Hope that makes sense. Showing a little bit of a doji coming down. We want a nice thick candle right here is what we want. We want that continuation. Now look at the volume. Oh, red volume's coming. Sell. Sell. Oh, we got the market right there. Nope, we're going to put it right there. Sell. So poor execution on my part. I really should have got a better execution on that. So the way I do this, just because of my hotkeys in these accounts, I should have had that preset to the market. So I'll probably change my default settings later for that. Not bad though. Set market there. So now the question is, are we going to continue or are we going to go back up? So I'm looking for a pullback. And while that's pulling back, you guys is going to be pushing up, guaranteed. So the question is, when is you guys going to retrace back down? DGAS, UNG, right here. DGAS. Got another candle right there. Thinking about a buy. I'm going to buy. Nope, see that limit always does that. I'm going to buy right there. I still think that's a good buy. Unrealized is $4. So one of two things are going to happen. It's either going to push down to the top of this blue line, or it's going to consolidate and then do another push up. That's what I'm playing for. Unrealized profit is $4. Unrealized profit is -3. I have a position size of 100. So I need to make at least like $1.50 to break even on the trade with the commission, I believe. I believe the minimum commission for this trade is $1.50. So it's going to be like between $1.50 and $3.50, but with these trades I think it'll be $1.50. Candle's going down. Unrealized profit is now -12. So we have 100. We're in the market right there. Excuse me, guys. I didn't want to be rude. Unrealized profits -12. Level 2 is currently $93.46. It's going green, red, green, red. Don't know which way it's going to go. I think the channel is pretty dominant at this point. Pullback's not unrealistic though. Pullback's not unrealistic at all. So now we did just have a profitable trade, even though I did miss 30 bucks because I didn't do my sell right, but no big deal. No one executes perfect all the time. Down 18, down 16, down 9, even, kind of floating. So kind of what I'm thinking about. Oh, I'm in a 2-minute chart right here. Okay, let's check the 5-minute. So I'm just hoping we kind of got a pullback, and then maybe we can still continue to push up. That'd be nice. So the 5-minute looks like that's a potential. The 1-minute's kind of right on the top. So if we stay right on top of this blue line and continue to push up, that's a good trade for a minute trade. We just got to kind of see. What I'm going to do, guys, is it's starting to push up. So this video is not too long. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause it, and if the momentum does continue pushing up, then I'll be like, well, it might push up now. Our unrealized is about $7 right now. So pull that out. So, oh man, excuse me. So right there. So not too bad when I cut the position on. So I mean, not bad. That'd be about $150 an hour if this is your personal account. I only make 70% of what I make here, but again, I'm working towards a $600,000 funded account. I'm just showing positive equity curves. If you want to learn how I did this, email me, message me. There'll be links in this YouTube video, or if this is on Facebook, whatever social media platform I put it on, look in the description box. You'll see Investment Coach Chris with edu-trade right here. Whoa. And yeah, just you can contact me. I'll give you some information. You know, I'll talk with you. I like to trade. I like to build me a little community of traders too. So, you know, we can be friends and all that. If you want some of my programs, yeah, we can talk that. I do sell programs. I do mentorships. Yeah. Just contact me if you have questions, or just subscribe, like the videos. I love to trade, love to teach trade, have a passion for trading. Trading's amazing. So we're in at 93.51. The current price is 93.43, which is different to 8 cents. But now we're 44.53 coming up. Right now our unrealized profit is -$7, -6. We're in for 100 shares at 93.51. We are in an uptrend with DGAS in a 1-day, 1-minute chart. There's a little flicker. Unrealized is now $1. Question is, can we continue to push up? 5-minute chart. Unrealized profits about even. We'll put a 2-minute chart. Hey, if you guys are traders, try a 2-minute chart sometimes if you can get one, a daily 2-minute chart, because 5 minutes and 1 minute are pretty good, but sometimes a 2-minute chart is a real good balance between the two. Current volume, current volume right here is about 6.2 thousand. If you see, we've had some pops here. Really looking to try to get over 20,000 with the green bar. So, guys, when you're in a situation like I'm at, I've consolidated. It might go up, it might go down. I'm really prepared to sell at any point if this starts breaking down. My unrealized profits -$9, but I'm looking at the volume. If the volume of buyers goes up, right? If the volume goes up, more people are buying. So if you're in and you're wondering which way it's going to break, look at the volume, and then look at the price. See, the volume in this green bar is still kind of low. The volume in the previous red bar, we want this green volume. We want more buyers than the previous sellers. See what I mean? When you're doing the market, you really have to consider what people are doing. What is this graph truly representing? And it's the relationship between buyers and sellers. Now, green bar pushing up a little bit, but our volume's still not where we want. This could be a sign that it's going to push up, retrace, and come down. But if the volume slowly starts to pick up, now people getting interested. That's when we can push above that. See, that's why we bought that pivot at the bottom to try to come up and then a push. So our unrealized profits now 25. 28, 31, 41. All right, all right. There we go, baby. If you guys don't like me singing, I don't care. Nice. So we're in at 93.51. If we break, I need to put a line here so I can really see it. Let's see. High days right there. If we can get a solid candle above that line like we just did, $38 our unrealized profit. DGAS is right there. UNG still pushing down. Got 100 shares, unrealized is 45. Keep pushing, baby. There we go. So right now we're at 93.51. Our unrealized profit down here, guys, is $51. $57 we're at. So what I'm looking at is this level 2 data down here. It's 94.14. All I'm looking at is that this number goes up. If that number goes up, I'm making more money. If it goes down, I'm losing more money. At 94.08, at 94.07, I've got $51. So at 94.09, I have 44. At 94.09 there. So I'm looking at this. Now you can look at the bidders too. You know if the bidders is going up, so you can say 96.15. So now I'm at 65. You see that push up? You see that push up? We have a break above that, so we're above 94. We can push up. We have an unrealized profit of $68. We have an unrealized profit of 70. So I'm going to actually at that 61.62. I'm actually going to take this, pull this down to here. Okay, so don't obscure my view right there. 2-minute charts there. 100 shares, an unrealized profit of 60. I'm going to sell. Cool. So now that's an example of how in this video is 16 minutes, 17 minutes. Yeah, I made about 250 minus $48 and whatever. Yeah, whatever the 17 minutes or whatever. I'll get 75% of that if I choose to. I just reinvest it all though. I only keep, like, I wear flip-flops and shorts, and all the money I can I put back in my account. So I got out too soon too, but I have to lock in profits with this account. Man, oh man, what a pretty day for DGAS. Now if we look over here at DGAS, RSI's super overextended, but just because something's overextended don't mean it can't keep going. You know what I mean? I mean, a lot of times they do. So I'm actually going to buy back in for 100 shares. Unrealized profits minus $8, minus 7. My current position right here is 100 shares. So right here, I'm up $2, I'm down 3. But, you know, my total P&L I've already got when I entered this trade, I had 250. Now as I've left, I've got 247, 248. Now, if I push this button, it stops, and that's going to cost me about probably $3 total. $1.50 to buy and $1.50 to sell. So, you know, I'm just saying there's 96.41. I see this volume bar picking up, and I'm thinking, wow, from 19, there's 40,000 volume between 20 and 60. That's 40,000 volume that could catch and push this stock up, this ETF for commodity. I see some sellers coming in now. I see 94.41. I see my timeshare here. Dandy cam come down. Unrealized profits $10. Come on, let's keep pushing up. $5. Unrealized -6, -11. It's all right. We're only in for 100 shares. We want to keep pushing up. We're 94.48, 94.49. 465, unrealized is even, unrealized +6, +7, keep going, baby. Red turned to green, red turned to green, red turned to green, that's what we mean. Oh yeah, 4.6, yeah. Only taking 100 shares at a time, only risking about $1,000 doing this. So if you have $1,000 sit in your savings account, you can learn how to do this, but you need to talk to me if you want to do that, because there's a lot of rules of pattern day trades and all this stuff. But just learn the rules. Once you learn the rules, you can do it too. Just prepare that stocks can crash at any time. Up 5, up 10, up 11, coming up to $11. 18. Can we get a push up? Can we get a push up? 33, 16, 23, 94, 87. Now, if you wanted to, you could set a target to reach up to. But here's the problem with that at this point. The guys, I'm going to look at the 28-day 1 hour part. Look at this. That's a still pushing up $34. This is the 180-day 4 hour chart. So we're kind of like 90-28, but we've been pushing down for a while. So I mean, look, this could go up to about 135 very easily. So, in my opinion. So we're up $58 in this position, pushing up, up, and 60, 69, 70, 74. Let's get to a hundo. Total P&L's 329, 74, 64, pushing up, volume. Look at the volume bar, 21.4 thousand. And then we're looking over here at 95.39, 95.39, 95.34, 95.17 on the bid. We want 95.17, 95.18 going up. 95.27 gives us $78 total P&L profit, $81 total, $84 P&L profit, $85 P&L profit, 95.34, 95.34, 95.47 pushing up, and it looks like a volume at 27,000. 27,000 is the last. These volume bars going up. We have two red candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 90% of the candles are up. 95.17 unrealized profit, 115. Looking back over here at MACD, we're overextended. RSI messed up right there. 95.16, 101 unrealized profit, 171, 186. Right here, getting ready to sell. If we push up, we have 95.42 bidder, 95.35, 35.23 sale. Total P&L is $337 minus 48. $337 minus 48, guys. That's a 20-minute video. $300 in 20 minutes if that's your personal account. And I probably got out too soon. But again, I have different goals with this account. I'm not trying to make money. If I can make $300 every day with $1,000 trades, that's 30% return. So I'm making 30% return every day on the money I choose to invest on average. If I can do that with 1,000, the company will give me 40,000 to do that with. And then those are $3,370 days, and I get 75% of that in 20 minutes. So I can potentially make that. That's what you can work towards. But you have to educate yourself how to trade. There's so many factors you have to consider, guys. You have to look at volume. You have to look at level 2, world news. So, but if you focus and learn, and you just take it step by step, and if you need a mentor or you need someone, contact me. If you contact me and you are not satisfied with any of my programs, I'll fucking give you your money back with interest for your time. Like, that's how confident I am as a teacher, to show you, because I love to teach you guys how to trade. All right, this has been Investment Coach Chris again. Well, this is kind of a fun stock. Man, it's so overextended, it's not even funny. It's very tempting to get back in. So let me tell you what's going through my mind if I want to get back in. I'm super overextended. I'm at a new high. I'm approaching $100 though. This is approaching a new low. 28.47 is the low of the day. So what I'm probably going to do is wait for a pullback. And then probably a bullish continuation, but only once we get closer to this line. But that's going to be the video, guys. If you have any questions, check the link in the description box. You guys are awesome. You have a wonderful day.